Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aquarius, and if you're new to my channel, I do videos on home decor, fashion, and lifestyle. If that sounds like that's something that you guys are interested in, take a moment and subscribe to my channel, as well as hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. I usually upload on Sundays and Tuesdays, and sometimes I may do a bonus video throughout the week. It just depends. So this video is all about organizing your linen closet. Now this linen closet is really the boys' linen closet. So I kind of went for more of a masculine, you know, their whole theme is white and gray. So I'm staying true to that. If you guys haven't watched my master bedroom linen closet, I also styled that linen closet. I'm not gonna do the same thing here, but you can at what we are working with in here. Let's see. All right, so my kids did store their floor mat instead of putting it back in their restroom. See, it's really small, so it shouldn't take much to make it look cute, neat, and organized. So I was able to find some really good sales at Target. I did not spend over $60, so this can be done, the look that I'm gonna give you, for under $60. And you really can't beat that. These were so cute. And they're also on Target's website. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to use everything that I got. These are some really cute baskets. Now, what I don't have is labels. But let me tell you something about my kids. This isn't my guest closet. I believe guest closets should have labels on it. It just brings it up a notch. And it also tells your guests where to store things. But for children, no. I'm not doing all that. Not on this one. And I caught a good sale on these towels. And of course, this is from the Room Essential. And I believe that these were on sale for $4 for 6. And these big towels were $8. The bins were $10 a piece. This one was $8. And I believe this one was $12. And that's the largest one that I got. Now you guys, I have everything out of it. I really am going to go now and place all the items where I feel like it's aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Like I need to just set it up and get a visual before I start organizing stuff and putting it inside of the bins. Alright guys, so it is looking fantastic. Here we go. I'm loving how it's turning out. And then I could have bought a bigger basket. I didn't. They did have some big ones, but I didn't think I would need it. And we'll see how many rolls of tissue we can squeeze there. Now I'm going to cut these off. And I'm going to fold the towels a different way than what they're folded like right now. Really. Alrighty, here is how I fold it. You can keep it this way, but then I take it and one. And then 2. And then 1, 2. So that it'll be able to fit inside the small space in the closet. Okay, so I really want to add one extra towel because it'll give it the same height. But I don't think I bought enough. We'll see how this goes. And then on this next shelf, what I'm going to put in this bag is their products. We're gonna do their products in here. And then white towels. Now, this basket has all their personal items in it. And I only kept, you know, the stuff that I know that they will be using. Deodorant, toothpaste, and stuff. Back of extra toothpaste is in here. And he got it pretty neat of all this little stuff. I'm gonna use this to put in the towels. I'm gonna fold them first. Now you guys, I was able to get all of this done for under $60. That was really good because the boys' towels are new. I did buy new towels. Everything you see here is almost new. Except for the blanket that I stored up here, you know, and their personal items that I had here, but and the tissue, of course, I didn't have the box I already had. But this can also work if you use like cleaning products in your linen closet. Now, I tried a system because I have 3 floors. So each floor had its own cleaning supply basket. Really cute. Labeled it. No. Okay. That basket did not stay where it was supposed to be. So I have a new system that is working great for my family. Now I have one closet and you can go and get your basket out of that closet. Fill it up with what you need to use. Take your basket with you. Bring your basket back when you're done. Instead of keeping it in the closet, things tend to spill over, and I kind of don't want any of this stuff bleached or, you know, getting dirty. Just when you have kids, you have to do what works for your kids. I know my kids, me putting the cleaning products back in here, it's not gonna work. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed showing it to you, and I hope it was budget friendly because I don't want people going out spending a whole lot of money. And don't forget to leave a comment below and tell me how you like it, and if you're gonna do, you know, something similar to yours, and get organized for the 2021. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Hey, boo.
What?
Why don't you tell them who idea was to have the cleaning product centralized?
What was your idea to have the cleaning? Why you guys gotta take credit for everything? Why? We are a group. We go together. We are one. Your ideas are my ideas.
Selling my ideas, I don't get no credit. Put me in the description box. Thank you.
No, I'm plagiarizing today, baby. I know the author.